Depending on whether you have manager or supervisor privileges, you would be able to access either Manage and Plan or Analyze the Plan sections. As previously explained, while a manager has full access and is able to do multiple changes via Manage and Plan link, a supervisor can use the Analyze the Plan link only for observation and analysis purposes. Both links will take the users to a view where they can review or amend the work breakdown structure, as well as any details such as start and finish dates or logic incorporated behind the tasks. They can also access features such as the targets engine, which shows whether the project team is hitting or missing its target activities. The Gantt chart illustrates the project schedule and the dependencies between the activities. As it was shown in a previous tutorial, it could be filtered or various views to be applied to suit users' needs. In this view, users also have access to Work Plan and Work Plans sections. While the Work Plan holds the latest work plan, the Work Plans section contains a record of all of the work plans that have been issued throughout the project. Issues and actions logs are also at users' disposal, so they can easily review them at any point. Other options such as links, reports, health checks, and scenarios are also available to the users from this view.